Man, this notifying is going off the chains today, bro. I just got another $14, bruh.
Okay.
Trump dummy, Trump dummy, Trump dummy.
No. Welcome, everyone. I see the early bird get the worm.
Chiming in from everywhere right now.
All right, please let us know what part of the world you guys are tuning in from. I see Sharon JJ, PW3, George Villarreal. Welcome. Tabayef Tafari, what's going on, my brother?
Peace, my brother. Peace. What's going on, my man? Got the East Coast and West Coast.
Man. These Super Sundays be lit.
Oh,
to capacity.
Every single time, bro.
Right?
And it's crazy because since we started letting people in, I already got 3 notifications. So it looks like it's going to be a very exciting Sunday.
Oh, yeah. I'm looking at mine, too. I just have some pass-ups. I had 3 pass-ups, just right now on X4, man. So it's getting ready to go crazy today. It's going to be crazy today, man.
Welcome, everybody. Let us know in the chat where you are tuning in from. Tuning in from Miami, Florida. Got my brother Mansa Jamel. He out there in Cali and in the Bay, or you out Silicon?
Hey guys, this is California. Don't be shy. Let us know what part of the world you guys reside. Just getting warmed up. You guys are here early. I see Tanika. How are you?
Hello.
Great morning for you.
Thanks.
I like you faithful people showing up early on a Sunday when y'all can be sleeping in. You know what I'm saying?
For real.
You know what? Don't nothing come to a sleeper but a dream. You know what I mean?
Facts.
I said we're trying to take action. Education is key. All you guys here early. Once you guys let us know what part of the world you guys are in, I'll go in there and let you guys know. I'm from Cali. There we go. Go ahead and put in the chat what part of the world you guys are in. Ayanda, Yvette, Wickman, Cynthia, George, Tamika. Let us know what part of the world you guys are in. We're going to give you guys a shout out. Texas is in a house. What's going on, Texas? George from Texas. Tori K all day. I love it. Who else we got? Make sure you guys put your real names on here too, because we're gonna be giving out some giveaways today. And you guys don't want to miss the boat. Calling yourself iPhone. We had that happen last week. Cynthia from Georgia. Welcome, Cynthia. Let's see who else we got here. Sharon, JJ, where are you calling from? Where are you tuning in from? Go ahead and let us know in the chat, my friend. India is in the house. Welcome, India. Columbia, Kanika from Columbia, District of Columbia. Welcome. People tuning in from all over the world, man. I wonder what time it is in India right now, right? Ayanda, there you go, from South Africa. Welcome from South Africa, Ayanda. And we got Columbia, District Columbia. We got South Africa. We got India. We got Georgia. We got Texas, Houston. We got Florida. We got Cali. We got DC. Come on, we out here.
Massa, what up, baby?
What's going on, Frederick? Where you at? Where you at?
Man, Dallas, Texas, man. You know I signed up a couple days ago, man. I got people in the building. Let me see who in here right now.
You got people in the building today?
I should,
Man,
unless they didn't have time to click, unless they ain't trying to get on, man. I
man,
got
I
them coming. They
appreciate you
coming y'all
showing
way,
up to
bro. They
grow up,
coming.
man. You know, it's early in the morning. Not too many people can hang with the big dogs early in the morning.
Yeah, man. I got a partner of mine. He about to log in too. His name is Jay. Jay about to. Let me see. Hey Jay, you on?
Jay is hopping in right now. I see him. Tell him to put his whole name in there too, because we got some giveaways based on that last name.
Oh, word. Hey Jay, you in the
Yeah.
building?
Jay look like he coming in right now. Welcome, everybody just tuning in. Why don't you guys go ahead and put in the chat what part of the world you guys are from. I'm gonna give you guys a shout out. I see Dwayne Gant from Kentucky. What's going on, my man? Did I miss anybody, Tobiah?
Let's see. I mean, we got a few more people that literally just jumped on. They must be connecting their mics right now, like Brother Jay. But
Right.
It's 1 o'clock, so I feel like I feel like you're gonna get a wave of people, like 50 more people's about to jump on.
Right.
So let's give them a few more minutes. Let's give them a few more minutes before we go all the way live with them. Let's let some more people chime in with us. There we go. Welcome.
What's
everybody.
going on, Mansa?
Hey, what's going on, Mr. Dwayne? How you doing, my brother?
I'm doing fine. How about yourself?
Unbelievable, man. I'm thankful and grateful. Attitude of gratitude, man. Spreading that energy right there. Gratefulness, you know.
I'm just trying to fill out in this space.
Hey, look, you see my cup? This is my new cup someone bought me here in the house. Say hustle juice. You know? I see Frederick. What's going on? Dallas, Texas, Frederick. Crypto Malik in the building. What's going on, Crypto Malik?
Nothing much, man. Just getting ready for the day, man. You know how it is. Looking really good in the crypto space. I saw TRX up like 10%. I said, ooh, wee.
Ooh, wee. Hold on. Did I miss that move? I know I've seen it jump up 11% yesterday. Is it another 10% today?
I don't know, man. So I don't know. We just got to keep our eyes on it, man. It's a lot of movement.
Hold on. I'm going to tell you right now. Oh, yeah. He jumping. He Jumpy Johnson. That's what we call him, Jumpy Johnson. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. What'd you say?
Said he Jumpy Johnson out here. You better keep your eyes on that TRX. These prices of these blocks is going up.
And I got so many TRX right now, man. I want that bad boy to jump up.
Hey,
on that
Massa, man. After watching y'all call, man, I ain't gonna even lie, bro. I bought another 500 worth of Tron, man. Like I'm 1,000 in literally 2 days, man.
Oh my gosh! Hey, look, it's the move, it's the wave, man. I'm telling you guys, man.
And you got that crypto I sent you, right, Frederick?
Yes, sir. Appreciate that, man. Like I said,
cool.
Didn't I tell you once you send me that 200, I'm gonna flip it a zillion times? I meant that.
Man. You a real one.
Right.
Yeah, literally, man. By tomorrow, man, I got like 10 to 12 people, man, gonna be signing up with the Tron, man. Make sure y'all make this a great call for them. They want to hear y'all, man.
Well, look, say what?
Jamel.
Hey.
Good rising.
We got people hopping in from all over the place right now. I see Veronica tuning in from Atlanta, Georgia. Welcome.
Hi, Massa. Hi, guys.
Hey, Veronica. What's going on with you?
Nothing much. Just
I see all you guys just made it over here on this Sunday. You know, you said forget sleep, huh?
No, I had to take my dog to the groomer. So I'm waiting on the football game, though.
Hey, you know me too. I'm waiting on it too. Yep. I'm trying to motivate my cousin Richard Sherman today to to get into the crypto space.
Absolutely.
All right, look like we got everybody tuning in, man. We're getting thick up in here. I want to say welcome to everybody. Let us know what part of the world you guys are in the chat here. I see New Jersey, Gus from New Jersey. We got Veronica from Atlanta, Georgia. Frederick from Dallas, Texas. We got Everell from where are you from? Trinidad, San Diego, California. We got the family in the house, Evelyn, Baton Rouge, LA, Roswell, Georgia, Dempsey and Brenda. What's going on, Dempsey and Brenda? And y'all matching today too. Y'all got that vibe going on. I see you. I see you. Nice. I like that. You know, I'm gonna wear that color today too.
You've been all in the same game.
No, wait a minute. You know, we got South Africa in the house, Ayanda from South Africa, Tanika from District of Columbia, Sharon from India, Cynthia from Georgia. We got Tori tuning in right now, Nicole Barrett, Ross, welcome, Hollywood, Florida, Tobiah in the building, and yours truly from California, Silicon Valley. We got Vitaly in the building, Dubinin from Israel. Vitaly, you still in Israel? Are you back to Israel yet? Or are you still in Ukraine?
I'm still in Ukraine. Couple more days.
Couple more days?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I'm gonna let a few more people load up before we go. We should be, starting this thing here in the next 30 seconds. Just want to, welcome a few more people here. Samstress from H-Town, Luis from Newcastle, Coach from H-Town, Luis from Newcastle. Wait a minute, y'all put y'all name in there twice. H-Town is in the house. I see y'all. Y'all showing up to grow up. Okay. Jamaica is in the house. Welcome, Jamaica. Team Jamaica is in here. Oh, man, it's getting lit up in here, guys. It's getting lit. Desiree, what's going on, Desiree? Everybody ready? Everybody ready? Go ahead and launch this puppy off, Tobiah.
How's everybody doing?
Welcome, sister. Welcome. All right. Peace and blessings, everybody. This is your brother Tobiah Tafari. First and foremost, you are a legend. Each and every single one of you here, you are all a legend for being on this Zoom on a Sunday. All right. I'm super excited that you are all here. And if someone invited you, shoot them a message real quick and tell them thank you. All right. Because this simple invite will change your life if you pay attention. All right. We got some fire for you all today. And not only are you going to learn about the cryptocurrency space, but you're also going to learn about blockchain technology and how you can acquire what we call digital real estate. We're going to get more in details with that because we don't want to confuse people with tokenized real estate. But what we have here with digital real estate through smart contracts, we're going to expose some of that. All right. So without any further ado, I want to introduce to everyone, if you don't know, my brother Master Jamel. This brother here is powerful. And I'll let him tell you his story, but just a little insight for you all. Me and this brother back in 2017 was able to jump on the Bitcoin wave at under 1,000, all right, and rode that bad boy all the way to over 20K. And that was just Bitcoin, all right? So you're at the right place at the right time. And Brother Jamel, go ahead and take it away, my man. You're muted, my brother. Brother Jamel.
Welcome, man. Thank you for that, Tobiah, man. I was on mute. Y'all see my mouth moving, and nothing coming out, right? But listen, man, thanks for that, Tobiah, man. You're definitely a legend, and I appreciate everyone tuning in on this great Sunday. And today is Super Sunday, and what we like to do is we pretty much like to educate you guys on our platform, one of our strategies that we use to help increase our crypto portfolios. And you're hearing from people that's been in the space for some time. Welcome, Zachary. Welcome, Khalib. And we've been in the space for some time. Like myself, I've been in crypto space since 2015. Kind of just kicking the tires. Purchasing crypto, Bitcoin to be exact, at 200 from 225 to 250. And I was just accumulating in 2015 and started learning more and more and more, just bringing in the knowledge. And I was able to retire my wife, from a 6-figure real estate income. And, myself, kind of retired myself from the insurance space and got into this crypto very, very heavy, and just got to turning the wheels and traveling the world all off of cryptocurrencies, from having Bitcoin ATMs working for us, having artificial intelligence working for us, from all these different, moves in the crypto space, utilizing it, bringing on merchants to the space to help build that value. So we just got really excited about this space, and we just locked arms and just continue to help people. We've been able to build teams of 20,000 people plus in this space in a very, very short time. And now we're at it again. We want to do it again with something that's really solid, really groundbreaking, and it's helping so many families in the pandemic right now, So I really appreciate you guys tuning in to us. We got so many people still trying to load in up here early. But yeah, this space is phenomenal. There's a lot going on in this space. You got Bitcoin almost about to hit 20,000 again, and that's going to be amazing. So if anyone has crypto stored away, tucked away in their wallets, just expect some phenomenal results coming. Okay. Another thing that we do, make sure you guys got your names on the box here, because we're going to do a giveaway today, and I wouldn't want you guys to miss it for the world, right? So make sure your name, your last name is there that you're going by, whatever the case, because if it lands on your name, and you don't have your name there, then you're going to miss out, right? So we want to see your name there, make sure we got that. And we've just been having so much fun in this space, guys. And I really appreciate you guys showing up on a Sunday. That really means a lot. Like one of my brothers was telling everybody, they were saying that, hey, you know what? Your time is valuable. You can't put a price tag on it. So you giving us your time, we want to make sure it's worth it. So today, while you're learning and earning at the same time, because that does happen here, right? Make sure you got your pen and pad ready. I'm gonna be bringing on a speaker that I've been, able to travel with, able to learn from as well in this space. And we built, several figures of income together. And this guy is phenomenal. His name is Mr. Vitaly Dubinin. He's in the Ukraine right now, but he's from Israel. And he's a monster in this space, guys. And he has a wealth of knowledge, a wealth of information. We're going to be bringing him in today, and he's going to be sharing with you some of the strategies that we're using, kind of go over the crypto space a little bit for you, and kind of teach you so you guys can be ready for this week coming up, and you can absolutely crush it, But before we bring him in, I want to see if there's anybody out there that's ready to, hold on, let me mute your line, Faith. I see your line is unmuted. I want to, matter of fact, I want to bring on one guy here. I haven't heard from, we got to hear from Mr. Crypto Malik. Crypto Malik, you there? Crypto Malik. He probably walked away from his phone. All right, when you come back, I got you, man. I got you. We got one more guy. How about this, Mr. JB the Great? JB the Great, man. You know what? Before you say something, JB, man, hold on. I had a pleasure talking to this gentleman yesterday, and the vision that we both share is so phenomenal. The thing is that, hold on. The thing is that with JB the Great, he's not new to the space, but he knows the value of the space. And he's like really bringing people to the space that, are brand new, and he's helping people, get results in 72 hours, 48 hours, 24 hours. So I love to hear from JB the Great, because he's a phenomenal guy and he has a heart of gold. JB, how you doing today, my brother?
Man, I'm good. I thought you would have at least gave me like 2 minutes before I got on, right?
That's why I gave you a 2-minute intro, right? Man, it's lit on this Sunday, man. You see all these people hopping on here early, no sleep. They like, what? Forget sleep. Sleepers for dreamers, right? We're here to help people win. We're here to build up that portfolio, man, right?
Yes, brother. And I'm so excited right now because what I'm seeing, bro, is like we've never seen this before. You know what I'm saying? And we were just talking last night about how there are people right now that they don't even know it yet, but they're about to have their breakthrough, right? They're about to have their breakthrough, and it's something cool when you're in the right place at the right time. And a lot of people don't really understand that mechanism. I've studied that for years, right? The very fact there are some people right now that actually got cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, back in 2008, back in 2009, 2010, right? 2013. And some of them sold it and some of them kept it, right? And they're multimillionaires right now. Right. Here's what's powerful about what's happening, because we're seeing in the markets, crypto taking off. There's people right now, again, you might not even know it yet, but your life is headed to the next level, right? Your life is headed to the next level. Something's happening right now in your life just by you plugging in to this community. And today, Sundays are always powerful, right? You got Mansa here, you got Vi, right? He's gonna come and he's gonna train and teach. And you have a lot of energy. I just want you, if you're on, I just want you to be open to new possibilities happening in your life that you've never even possibly imagined, right? And that's the next level, whatever the next level is for you, right? The next level may be actually paying your bills on time, because some of you are on here right now and you might be a little behind, right? Some of you might have been a little depressed during the lockdown and pandemic, right? Or maybe even thought about giving up, right? And some of you, you can feel that something is about to happen, right, in your life. Whatever that is, I want you to stay plugged in. I want you to be open today, and I want you to learn. And we have great leaders on. And so I'm going to move out the way, right? I'm going to pass it back to you, Mansa, because I know we got a crazy Sunday, brother, lined up. I see Vi just getting on. Vitali, what's up, brother? And I'm excited about today. I'm excited about what we're doing. Brother, so I'm here. I'm in the background. Whatever you need, just let me know. And back to you, Mansa.
Absolutely, man. You touched on something, man, that's really, really powerful, man. And that's, being at the right place at the right time, And like you said, some people are they're here right now at the right place at the right time and don't even know it yet, right? Don't even know it yet, but it's here. You're here at the right place at the right time with the right group of people, because it is a such thing as being at the wrong place at the wrong time.
Bruh.
But in jail some damn where, right?
Oh, right.
You're here at the right time, and you can make, that's why I got my jersey on. It's time for touchdowns. Everybody's trying to win.
Right.
Touchdown. So it's your turn to shine, your turn to win. Get your pencil and pen and get ready to take some notes. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it over to my good friend, Mr. I was getting ready to say Tobiah. Tobiah, not you, Tobiah. Vitali Dubinin. Vitali, what's going on, my man, in Ukraine, man? I know you over there freezing.
It's degrees here, but it's really warm here in the room. Yeah, but I love it. In Israel, still most things are closed, but here everything is open. Actually, they have Saturday and Sunday lockdown here, but really you can go if you know the right connections to any place anyways.
We got capital connections.
That's how they roll in Ukraine. And while being here in a couple of weeks, I made about $300,000 just from the price appreciation of the crypto space. Yeah.
He didn't say $300,000 in just one breath, did he?
He said 300K, bro. I think that's what he said, huh?
Okay, I want to make sure, Go ahead, Vitaly.
Yeah, I mean, it's been life-changing, and ever since I am in crypto, the last 3.5 years, I'm just amazed at how this technology is changing lives and how really we are still early on in this game, and we can ride this baby in the next, I would say decade, but more looking into the future. The next year is going to be absolutely amazing. I'm going to show you some things behind the scene, that what's going on and why Bitcoin has been rallying more than 100% in the recent weeks. It's been crazy. 7 weeks in a row we have been rising, and this is just the beginning, guys. This is the beginning of a crazy bull cycle that we are on right now, that is powered by a huge demand coming from large institutions, banks, and hedge funds mutual funds and pension funds and billionaires and wealthy families and all of these people, millionaires, they're all kind of starting to FOMO in. They don't want to miss out on this phenomenon called Bitcoin because it is challenging the financial system. And it is the best store of value. It's better than gold, and the billionaires recognize that. I'm going to show you in just a moment a huge chief investment officer of a $7.5 trillion investment company is saying Bitcoin is better than gold today on a national TV. It's like, hey, you gotta wake up to what is going on right now in crypto, and that the big guys are coming in. Bitcoin just doesn't want to come down. I mean, just today,
I love that. Definitely.
Just today, Bitcoin, fell by $1,000 only a couple hours later to get picked up again and rise $1,000. They just don't let it fall, because a lot of money is coming into crypto. As you will see, Bitcoin, Ethereum as well is going to do some big moves, and this is the time to accumulate Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tron, and Tron, and you can convert it to Bitcoin, Ethereum, and build up your portfolio, because everything you earn right now can be easily 5x, 10x, whatever you're earning right now. So what we are going to share with you today is strategies of how you can utilize a technology that is based on smart contracts and in totally decentralized ways, how you can build a community around the world, no matter where you are in the world, living in and earning crypto on a daily basis. And we have some members in the community that has been able to smash some serious records and creating $200,000, even $300,000 in a month in income, which they never ever been able to do before.
Right.
And other people smashing their personal records. For some it's earning their first $1,000 or $5,000 or 10. It's everybody is on a different page, but what we are here to do and commit is to help you guys understand the crypto space and help others understand the crypto space and show you what are some of the best ways how you can earn more crypto and change your life. This is what it's really all about. So let's get started, guys. Let me know in the chat if you're excited about the up and coming bull cycle that we are on right now for the Bitcoin and the crypto space. I mean, if you take a look right here at the market right now is over $530 billion, guys. This is tremendous. And we're seeing such a massive growth right now in Bitcoin. I mean, take a look at this. We are rising for 2 months, and this has been the highest month in the history of Bitcoin. Like, we are only left 8 days here to the end of this month, November, and we are going to close it higher than any month in the history of Bitcoin. The highest we ever been was about $20,000 trading. And actually right now, people, like 99.5% of people who ever bought Bitcoin are in profit, because we only been like several days, actually less, like 31 hours above the current price in the entire history of Bitcoin. So we are really at this period of time where previously in 2017 we briefly touched those levels and then quickly came back in and went on the way down. Right now it's a totally different market space right now, as we are just beginning this rise, as I'm going to show you guys. So essentially, right now, this is the situation with Bitcoin. What's driving the prices up so much is the institutions, is the big money players, the wealthy families, the hedge funds. And fundamentally, Bitcoin is very, very strong as a store of value. The market cap of gold is $10 trillion, and Bitcoin right now is still a baby compared to that, $330 billion. So We can go as high as 10 trillion for Bitcoin in the coming months ahead of us, which will take Bitcoin approximately at 350, 400,000, even $500,000 per one Bitcoin. So thinking about those price points, maybe right now is far-fetched, but I do believe there will be a day that we'll see Bitcoin trading at $500,000 per one Bitcoin, just because what it does. And it's really, really good as a store of value. And believe it or not, even inside politics, inside Congress, the city managers, they're going on national television and starting to say, hey, Bitcoin is a great store of value. And this is something that is really mind-boggling. And what you see right now, like after this, like October, November is crazy months after PayPal announced they're going to enable users around the world to buy, hold, and sell Bitcoin and crypto. And essentially they have a database of 345 million active users and 26 million merchants. So that by itself, right now PayPal is buying 70%, guys, 70% of all the new supply of Bitcoins. So right now, 900 Bitcoins are coming into the market every day by the miners around the world. New supply of new freshly mined Bitcoins. But PayPal alone is buying 70% of all these new Bitcoins that are being produced. And they just PayPal. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, this entity right here that has been buying Bitcoin like crazy, just last week they added more than 20,000 Bitcoin into their portfolio, which is 3 times more than the new supply of Bitcoin coming into the market. Just one entity. The supply shock for Bitcoin is real, and the demand is huge. Those institutions that want to get into Bitcoin just don't have enough Bitcoin coming around. They're just buying like crazy. Miners don't have enough Bitcoin to sell to them, so they have to go to the markets and buy it from the markets. All right, because that's the way it goes. Miners maybe don't want to sell, all of their Bitcoin, and they want to buy. There is a real demand. They don't want to miss out on this Bitcoin phenomena. So that's what's going on. And you can see how strong the bull market is just by looking at what's happening today. We've been growing for 6 days now, essentially, and we tried to go down by $1,000 drop pretty much from here to here, and it was quickly bought up. You can see it right here by this candle. Quickly bought up. That's crazy, right? We're going down and boom, up again. The market doesn't let Bitcoin fall. Now, it doesn't mean that we're not going to have a correction. We will, 20 or 30%. It's a matter of time, because in the previous bull market, we also had corrections of 20, 30%, actually 6 times. Okay. And you can think about where we are right now to where we were in late 2016, which is somewhere right here in this area. This area right here, end of 2016, we are just on the cusp to break the previous all-time high for Bitcoin, which was about $1,100. If you look to the left, that was the highest price point at the time, was about $1,100. And we finally broke it somewhere here in January 2017. And then we had a little correction here, but look at what happened over the next 12 months. By December 2017, Bitcoin rose by 20 times, 2,000%. 2,000%, essentially. And this is where we are right now. After this Bitcoin halving that took place in May this year, this is the 3rd Bitcoin halving when the supply of new Bitcoin is cut in half. right? Right now, 900 Bitcoin is being produced every single day, and you can go to Bitcoin halving right here, Bitcoin block half. You can see all this data right here. This was the first halving, the second halving, and the third halving. You can see clearly the trend, what happens after the halving. First halving, boom, we skyrocketed. Second halving, boom, we skyrocketed. Third halving, boom, we are skyrocketing right now. We already mined 88% of the Bitcoins, and essentially right here, 900 Bitcoins are being produced every single day, okay? So this is the phenomena that is going on right now. Here, I want to show you something today. This is fresh news, hot from the oven. The chief investment officer of BlackRock, which is a huge investment company. See BlackRock AUM. You can see right here, it's $7.43 trillion. Okay, that's more than the market cap of Bitcoin by like 15 times.
7 trillion, right?
$7.43 trillion. So this guy, who is the chief investment officer at this BlackRock company, here is what he's saying about Bitcoin.
Actually would try to regulate it. So Andrew, I mean, I think, listen, I think cryptocurrency is here to stay, and I think it is a durable. And you've seen the central banks that have talked about digital currencies. I think digital currency and the receptivity, particularly millennials' receptivity of technology and cryptocurrency is real. Digital payment systems is real. So I think Bitcoin is here to stay. I think, am I a Bitcoin bull? I mean, I don't do a lot of it or virtually any of it in my portfolios, my corporate portfolios, my business portfolios. But do I think it is probably, it's hard to say, is it worth the price it's trading at today? But do I think it's a durable mechanism that do I think will take the place of gold to a large extent? Yeah, I do, because it's so much more functional than passing a bar of gold around. And by the way, the way you can track.
So he says Bitcoin is much better mechanism as a store of value than gold, because taking gold with you and getting those gold bars with you wherever you go, it's not easy. And Bitcoin you can have in your pocket, and any other crypto, and you can move and you can easily liquidate. Essentially, this is huge, guys. That he's saying that. I mean, all of these hedge funds, all of these institutions, they're not all of them are in crypto. Not at all. Like very few still. Like it's only the beginning phases. Like if every institution, if every company were to put 5% into Bitcoin, we would have a Bitcoin trading at $500,000. Just think about companies like Amazon, Apple, just these two companies. They put 5% into Bitcoin, and boom, Bitcoin is skyrocketing. So this is what's going on. This is what's going on, guys. And we have Fidelity Investment also saying Bitcoin is unique. Put 5% into Bitcoin, and essentially multi-asset portfolio. And this is $3.3 trillion company. We're having banks that now can offer crypto custody services. Banks are getting involved, and you will see it happening more and more with banks, small and big, starting to offer crypto services. And right now, publicly traded companies, we're having about $15.2 billion that they have put from the publicly traded company funds, the cash reserves, put into Bitcoin. So essentially, why we are focusing so much on Bitcoin is because this is the granddaddy of all these coins. And Bitcoin is going up, then all these other coins are going to go up as well. And every coin is different, of course, but Bitcoin has a massive influence on the entire market. So whatever you're earning in crypto, you can convert to Bitcoin. You can convert to Ethereum, which is the second largest coin. And it's also absolutely smashes. Actually, Ethereum outperformed this year Bitcoin. And Ethereum itself is now breaking out. As you can see right here, Ethereum trading at $560 right now. And this is on a weekly basis. And the next target is 800. I think that is going to happen pretty soon because of what's going on with Ethereum, guys. Ethereum is going wild. We have Ethereum 2.0 coming, which will, the first phase is coming in this year. And the deposits to this Ethereum 2.0 contract that, is going through the roof. It's going through the roof. It's going parabolic. And we are having, for example, this Bitcoin Swiss depositing 100,000 Ethereum to Ethereum 2.0. I mean, it's starting to happen, guys. Ethereum 2.0 is coming next month. And essentially, that's what's taking the price of Ethereum up, because they're transitioning to what's called proof of staking, where people can stake Ethereum and earn on a yearly basis 5-10% per year. So they want to do it, and this way, instead of mining Ethereum with computer chips, now they're going to essentially stake Ethereum and validate those transactions on the blockchain from staking, and that will take Ethereum out of the exchanges. Less selling pressure on the exchanges, more buyers, less sellers. That's what taking the price of Ethereum higher. And Ethereum is following along. Like all-time high for Ethereum was $1,400. So Ethereum will mimic the ways that Bitcoin will move as well. And it's not that long until we hit that level of $1,400 per Ethereum. So hodling, accumulate and hodl, that's the name of the game. Billionaires are coming along, billionaires like Paul Tudor Jones, that is seeing a massive upside in Bitcoin, like investing in Apple or Google early. I can show you so many billionaires that are getting involved into Bitcoin space. So are you excited, guys? Are you excited about what's coming, guys, in the next 12 months? In the next 12 months.
Yes, sir.
Millionaires are FOMO in right now. 73% will own Bitcoin by 2022. Did you know there's not enough millionaires and there's not enough Bitcoin for all the millionaires? If they want to even own one Bitcoin, there's not enough for them to own even one Bitcoin. And Bitcoin being this new economy, this king of the crypto assets, and everybody in the world more and more start to use Bitcoin and crypto. I mean, it's only a matter of time. It's only a matter of time of the scarcity is going to kick in more and more and more. And those central banks we've seen in central banking in Iran actually now buying Bitcoin as well. And this is central bank. So essentially, guys, we have a platform called Forsage that allows you to utilize the power of smart contract technology to earn crypto, to earn Ethereum, to earn Tron, and then you can use that crypto, you can hodl it, you can trade with it, you can build up your portfolio. But I'm showing you the bigger picture of what's going on right now in the crypto market, because this is very, very exciting times to be involved in crypto, as everything is mooning right now and skyrockets, and this is just the beginning, right? So I believe 12 months, the next 12 months, we'll see Bitcoin trading about $100,000, and this is essentially true because this model has been very, very accurate, guys, for predicting the Bitcoin price. It's called the Bitcoin stock flow model. And you can see right here that essentially Bitcoin, I'm refreshing, is somewhere around $100,000. This area right here is going to establish itself by December 2021. We've been for 4 years pretty much back and forth around $10,000 plus minus. This has been a critical level, but right now we are breaking out from that. And the next major basis on which Bitcoin is going to move back and forth around is going to be $100,000. So, which is 5 times more than where it is right now. And with the power of Forsage matrices, you can earn more crypto. Now let's dive right into it, and I'll show you how this works. You know, the power of what happened with Forsage is that it's all 100% decentralized. There are 2 different ways for you to earn crypto, if we can categorize it. It's a centralized way and decentralized way. Okay, centralized way is you have a centralized entity, a company, and people are putting their Bitcoin or crypto in some kind of a centralized fund, a centralized entity, and they start to trade that Bitcoin on behalf of the people involved, or do whatever. And essentially, in that type of company, centralized, you have to ask for a withdrawal because you're not in control of your crypto, and anything can happen. As the fund gets bigger, you know, there is this temptation. Market can change, the governments can come in and shut down the project. You know, they can decide to stop withdrawals. All kinds of things can happen in a centralized company, which is a risk that that is always there to lose your capital with a centralized type of entity. I mean, I wish that every single company, every single project out there who offers you some type of profits are going to be around 12 months from now, you know? And this is especially tempting for a lot of people out there to go and start a company, and attract a lot of crypto because, you know, of where crypto is going to go, and collect all of this Bitcoin as much as possible. And this is something to be aware of. And I've seen those kind of cryptocurrency centralized projects come and go in the last 3.5 years. So I'm very careful around what I'm associating myself with. And, you know, those type of projects that offer you 1% a day or 2% a day or somewhere in between, you know, or maybe less than that, you gotta be careful. You gotta be careful about that. I'm not saying that every single project that offers like that is a scam necessarily, but you gotta be very, very careful dealing with any type of centralized entity that promises you some type of profits on a consistent basis. And the other way to earn is a decentralized way, which what we have going on here. Jamil, you can mute everybody. There's a room there. There's a button that you can click. And what I mean by decentralized way is that the crypto that you you're earning, that the crypto that you're participating in this project is not put into any kind of a centralized fund, a centralized entity. Okay, all of the crypto is being distributed among all of the participants. Every single transaction is transparent, and 100% of the income is going to participants, to the members of this project. And right now, looking at the stats, we are having 1.3 billion Tron that participants have earned, which equates to about $38.4 million. And this is from September the 6th, since they launched these matrices on the smart contract on the Tron. And we have the other one, which is the Ethereum smart contract, which we are approaching right now. We're short 200 people on 1 million participants around the world. This is crazy. And you can see 963
Your screen is not sharing that
million
information. There it is.
dollars. That's what it equates to. So every
We're almost at 1 million, guys. Look at that. 999. Yeah, it was freezing
yes.
a little bit, Vitaly. We're
Yes.
almost at 1 million though. Wow.
Yes, yes. Exactly. So this is exciting, and they launched this project in order to help people around the world to utilize the power of a community and the crypto space, and the marketing plan behind those matrices in order to help people change their life and earn crypto. So there is a smart contract address, and both in Ethereum and Tron. Later on, they launched Tron, first Ethereum and then Tron a couple months ago. And you can see right here that this is the contract address. And this contract address, this contract code, essentially, that was submitted on 31st of January this year. The beauty of a smart contract that is based on this code is that it is immutable. Nobody can change it. Nobody can modify anything. Not the coders, not the owners, nobody, not the hackers. Nobody can go and change this code. And this code is going to execute, this program is going to execute every single time flawlessly based on the code, right? We can trust the code. We not always can trust the people running the company, but we can trust the code because it's been working and performing exactly as it is supposed to be working every single time. So if you take a look at all of these transactions that are happening, which is like 33 seconds ago, you know, there was internal transactions 55 seconds ago on this 1.6 Ethereum. If you click on the transaction hash, this is on etherscan.io. It's the Ethereum blockchain. You can see that essentially it is moving from one address, one Ethereum owner right here, through the contract, and this smart contract is determining who is getting that Ethereum, who is the owner, who is this owner of this address who is getting the Ethereum. And that is according to the smart contract. And what you see right here is the visual. It is the back office, the visual, the front end, essentially, that you see and clearly visibly see. But behind this is the engine, is the smart contract, is the code that is backing this whole thing up. It's like you're looking at the car, but behind the hood there is an engine, and what powers this is a smart contract that is a program that flawlessly executes every single time. So they took this concept of those matrices, and we have those 12 in Ethereum, have 12 slots that are able to generate you income as the matrix fills up. As the matrix goes, and you see those circles, those are people in the community that get into your matrix. And as long as the matrix fills up, according to the plan, as I'll show you in a second, you're getting paid, and it's coming directly to your personal wallet that you control the private key, and that's important, okay? Because you get it instantly, and you get it directly to your wallet. You don't need to ask for a withdrawal. No need to ask for a withdrawal from a centralized company. It's all in a decentralized way coming directly into your wallet. So based on the success of those X3 and X4 matrices on the Ethereum side, they have launched due to a big demand, those matrices on a Tron blockchain, and it has its own smart contracts. And the Tron and Ethereum blockchains, even though they're different in terms of the smart contracts, they are similar. They're similar. And you can also code on the Tron blockchain, using a different code, but you can code and it's going to execute in a decentralized way, the same way. So essentially, they launch X3 and X4 programs. They added more positions, they added more slots right here. Now there's 15 income generating slots on X3 and on X4. that you can maximize. And they later on launched an X Gold smart contract that essentially expanded what they have been doing, and nobody else is doing it, and allowing you to earn in a bigger way even on the X Gold. So all of these programs are powerful, and as they are filling up, as the matrices are filling up, you are getting paid just like this. If I open up this wallet on Tron Link and I click here, those are the transactions that are coming in. You know, this has been today, 400 Tron, 160 Tron, 100 Tron, 400 Tron, and it starts to accumulate inside your wallet. So we want to show you how this is possible, how it is working, what exactly is happening behind the scenes based on this code, and how you can utilize the strategies and what we have going on as a team in order to help you build up those matrices in a better way. So let's dive right into it. I'll start with on the Tron side. I'll explain X3, X4, and X Gold, and Ethereum is the same thing. X3 and X4 works the same thing, just on the Ethereum side, and those two blockchains are linked. Okay, so in a way, you know, it's the same company, the different smart contracts, different blockchains, but you can have one link essentially and promote both the Tron side and the Ethereum side.
And you guys,
okay, so
1 second, Vitaly. I just want to wake everybody up. Make sure they don't miss this music. Don't miss this meat and potatoes right here, guys. This is the sauce. Okay, this is the sauce, bro. Talking about, right? This is where the mind and that light bulb is gonna pop up. That light bulb is gonna pop up. Like, wait a minute here. Let's focus on this part right here, because he's getting ready to share with you some amazing numbers, and this is how you earn in this platform. Okay, guys, so pay attention right here. Make sure you got that pen handy. I got two of them right here. I got two, so just in case this one run out, I'm writing with the black one. All right, so make sure you guys get ready for this powerful information. Okay,
Juice.
All right, Vitaly, go ahead, man.
all right, so the idea behind the matrix is the following. Okay, X3 has 15 slots that you can see right here on the Tron side, and each slot has, you see this number, 100, 200 Tron, 400 Tron, 800 Tron, and if you click on it right here, on every one of these matrix slots, you have 3 positions, you have 3 spots underneath. Okay, and essentially you're getting paid on these 2 positions 100% of the value of the slot. So this slot is 800 Tron, so you get paid 800 Tron and then another 800 Tron, and then you cycle. The third one cycles you and opens up the 3 slots again. Then you earn another 800 Tron, and cycles. Okay, so essentially in X3 and X4 matrices, you have the 100% of the transactions is coming to somebody. Okay, 100% of the value of the slot. It's like a virtual real estate that you are purchasing in the smart contract, and now you're eligible to participate in the matrix and enjoy the benefits of the smart contract and this matrix. So in X3 and X4, 100% of the payment, somebody activates their position or cycles in the slot, somebody's getting this payment. It's either you or somebody else. Okay, now in X3 right here, you have 3 positions, so you get 100% on this position on the first one and 100% on the second one. So that's total 200% in one cycle. Essentially, it's like doubling your money on every cycle, and doubling again. So for example, here on the 1,600 Tron, I cycled 54 times, and it cost me only once 1,600 Tron. That's what I paid, and it generated me a 174,400 Tron, which is much bigger than what I paid for this slot. Because all this time I was cycling, earning 1,600 Tron, 1,600 Tron, 1,600 Tron, over and over and over again. And the way that in X3 program, the community part, like the team that you're building is helping you to earn, is in the following manner. Let's say that this is your team member, and only people in X3 that can show up are people that you directly used your link in order to sign up, in order to register. When you register, you don't need to put in your name or email. You simply have a wallet. It's a Tron wallet or Ethereum wallet, and you connect your Tron wallet to the smart contract. Okay, that's how it works. And let's say somebody used your link and they register using your ID and link their wallet to the smart contract. So now they're tied to you and they have their own matrix. So now they have the power to go and also utilize this matrix and have 3 spots in the first time, right? They cycle, they have 3 people show up here, they cycle, and they cycle into the next spot in your matrix. That's where they cycle into. And as they cycle into the next spot in your matrix, you're getting paid. If this is here or here on these 2 spots, you're getting paid 100%. So every time they cycle, your team members cycle in X3, you can get paid again and again and again and again and again. Okay, so this is the power of X3. Very, very simple matrix, but don't let the simplicity distract you from what it is capable of, right? Because this matrix is simple, yet very, very powerful, lucrative. Now, the X4 matrix is different. It has 2 lines, and it has essentially here 6 spots under each one of the lines. Now here, you get paid on those 3 positions, okay? Position number 3, position number 4, and position number 5, right here. Position number 1, 2, and 6, you're not getting paid on. So remember, we said 100% of the value of the slot, somebody is getting paid. No matter how your matrix is getting filled, whether you bring somebody personally or somebody else brings this person and they end up being inside your matrix, you're getting paid 100% on positions number 3, 4, and 5. So every time that you cycle, you earn 300% on each cycle, right? 300%. And you can cycle a limited amount of times. You purchase it once, you can cycle a limited amount of times. So here you can see clearly that, 1, 2, and 6, these positions, somebody else is getting that 100% payment, okay? And 3, 4, and 5, you're getting this payment. Now, I cycled here 86 times, and this is 800 Tron spot. And this 800 Tron brought me 210,400 Tron, okay? And this is the pattern. This is the pattern that you have those first 2 go to somebody else. It's called hire here. Then 3 times you're earning inside your wallet, the 800 Tron. And the 6th one is called reinvest or recycle. And essentially, you're cycling into your upline's matrix again. Okay, that's why the people that you personally sign up, the more you sign up personally, the better, because they will keep cycling into your matrix. As long as they're active, they're building a community, they're building a team, they can keep cycling in your matrix again and again and again. So this is the power of X4, and you have spillovers that are showing up here in the X4 program. And a spillover is somebody else that is not you, signed them up, and they got into your matrix. Okay. Let me go back here. There's some weird sounds coming from Ebohon. Jamil, maybe you can mute.
Yeah, please.
Ebohon. Okay. So that's the power of X3 and X4. And then you have X Gold. And by the way, X3 and X4 works the same way on Ethereum. But here you have numbers on the Ethereum side. Okay. And if I click on it, that's a 0.025 Ethereum, which is right now about $10 or something like that. And essentially, yeah, it's $10. You earn here over and over and over again. It's the same way as with the Tron, the same principle on X3 and X4, just with on the Ethereum side. And this program is very lucrative. As you can see, this account over here in gross income generated $1.4 million on this account itself. And this just shows you the power of those matrices that can go big and grow big, and you have a big team essentially that is keep cycling into your matrix. Now, X Gold is a different beast. Is even more powerful than X4 in terms of what it can do and the spillovers that it can generate from other team members. And if in X3 and X4 we have a situation essentially where 100% of that purchase of that activation of that activation of the slot goes to somebody 100%. In X Gold, that 100% pie is being divided into 3 pieces. We have somebody is getting 20%, somebody is getting 30%, and somebody is getting 50%. Okay, 20%, 30%, and 50%. That's how the pie is being divided on every single slot right here. So if I click on, let's say this one, 1,600 Tron, you see this matrix that has 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And here you have 2 places, and in those 2 places, you don't earn, you earn 0%. Why? Because somebody else is getting this 100%. Divided differently, so 0% here. On the second line, you have 4 places, and these 4 places you earn 20%. Okay, 20% of the value. So that is 80%. 80%. The third line, it has 8 spots, and it has right here 30%, 30%, 30% on each one of these. So that's in total 240%. And finally, we have the 4th line. Every single spot here on the 4th line, we have 16 of these spots. We earn 50%. 50%. By the way, put in the chat who is brand new to this matrix, this concept that we are sharing right now inside the community. If you're invited here today, you're hearing it for the first time, let me know in the chat. So this is 800%. 800%. Okay. So now, if we summarize this, we're talking about 1,120%, which is over 10 times, okay, the value, over 10x. That's why we say we can potentially 10x your money over and over again with X gold, because this is over 1000%. It's 10x with each one of the cycles. Doesn't matter how they fill in, whether you personally signing somebody up or bringing them into the platform, or essentially somebody else is doing it. And welcome all the new people. I see Patrick, I see Jay, I see Lynetta, I see Avril, I see all of you guys are new to this concept, so that's great. 1120%. Okay, erase that. So essentially we have a situation where the last two spots right here, it's 50%, 50%, right? They're being used to cycle again. And if we do minus 100%, we are left with 1020%, which is about 1000% or 10x. Now, how the matrix gets filled? It can get filled by you or somebody else by spillover up to 3 levels of upline. So let's say that you have, and in each matrix, those 3 are going to be a little bit different. You have here upline number 1 in the matrix, let them be in red. You have in blue, we have upline number 2, and we have upline number 3, let's say in green, upline number 3. Now, check it out. We have this upline number 1 right here. Upline number 1. Here's the situation. Your upline number 1, red team, okay? You are inside his matrix. You are inside his matrix. So essentially, he can help you put people on your line number 1, your line number 2, and your line number 3. All of these 3 lines is part of his matrix. So he can fill his matrix by signing up people, okay? And also his team, okay? His team can go and build their matrices, and his team is going to be also part of your matrix, essentially. So they can help you not just fill up your first 3 lines, but also fill the 4th line, because from all these people that your upline number 1 is bringing, they can bring people too, and they can fill your level 4, where you get the most, 50% on each one of the spots. Now, that's not all. We have also upline number 2, which is also, you are in his matrix, and he can help you also fill up your entire matrix just by himself, okay? Essentially, he can fill personally level 1 and level 2 with his direct signups, and his team, the blue team, can help you build the 3rd and 4th level, so that it can fill your entire matrix just by your upline number 2 and their team. And we have upline number 3, which are also part of his matrix, so it can help you fill the 1st level here, the 1st level, and also his team can help you fill up the entire matrix yet again. So you have a situation where both from upline number 1, upline number 2, and upline number 3, just them by themselves, by signing people up and their team, okay, they can essentially fill up your entire matrix by spillover. And spillover can come from all over the place, okay, that you have little control over from how the spillover is going to come. What you have 100% control is what you do and the people that you choose to bring to the community of Forsage, and that's in your control. So that's your team, the orange team that can fill your entire matrix right here. All of these 4 levels by yourself, you can fill, or you can also have your team members, your downline members, to sign somebody out, and essentially they'll be in your team. So from your efforts and your team efforts and your upline's efforts and their team efforts, you can go and cycle, and every cycle is 10x, and you can cycle over and over and over, and your people are going to cycle, and they're going to cycle in your matrix as well. Okay, so that's the power of X Gold. Pretty powerful stuff, huh, Jamil? This X Gold matrix.
And the X Gold is so powerful, man. I mean, it's bananas, you know, it's kind of unbelievable. I mean, this is a full community build system right here, as you can explain. I know you see all these different colors driving you crazy right now, but this actually means something. Okay. This means that the full community can help fill your matrix, right? Together, everyone achieves more. And that's the kind of concept we have here. That's why you see my man Vitaly making so much cryptocurrency right now, is because the team is really showing out. I mean, from all over the world, as you guys can see. So tuning into what we have here, this powerful X Gold, not only on top of this, yes, you're going to earn a lot of crypto, but on top of this, you're going to also earn some governance tokens as well. That can be, you know, possibly, you know, worth $1 in the future, or even 50 cents in the future, right? So that's another grantus just for opening up X Gold. And I want to encourage everyone who's already involved right now to start upgrading right now, because the fact that the prices is going bananas, so many coins are going up. I mean, just last Sunday, I mean, think about it. Ethereum was at what, $400? Now it's at $550. Bitcoin was at like 16, 17,000. Now it's almost 19,000, right? Tron was at, you know, 2 cents. Now it's 3 cents, right? So you guys want to upgrade those accounts before Tron goes to 10 cents, 5 cents. Bitcoin goes to 20,000. Ethereum goes to 1,400, you know? So this is, you know, talking about being at the right place at the right time. You have your warning right now, guys.
Yeah, absolutely. I see Ethereum continues to smash it to even higher levels. Right now it's $567 trade.
Like seriously, I don't know how it happened. I don't just know. I don't understand how it happened.
All right, so that's how powerful those matrices are, and very, very lucrative. I mean, I've been able to become a crypto millionaire thanks to these matrices, guys. That's how powerful they are. It's one of the pretty much the most lucrative business model that I've seen. If you're building a network, and from a variety of reasons, you know, here you have a situation where everything is totally transparent. You have every single transaction totally transparent inside the back office. You see all the statistics in your business, see exactly where the money is coming from, where it is going. It's not like a centralized entity where you don't have transparency, you don't see where the money is at. Here, we're utilizing this crowdfunding concept, essentially, where everybody can set a goal inside the system. If you log in, let's log in here with my wallet, automatic login. And you can set up, when you register an account, you can set up a goal inside the system right here. Very simple, very simple. You put a target name, a description, what do you want and why do you want it, and put a picture, and it will help you to motivate you towards achieving that target. Like in the Ethereum side, when they launched it in April, I set a goal to buy Porsche 911 convertible, and I set a goal in April to reach it in September, and I did reach it 3 months prior, already in June. 2.5 months later, And when I hit that goal, I'm like, it's time to hit the dealership and see what kind of car I'm going to buy. You know, I looked at Porsches, and the cars of Porsches are very, very high. All of the price of the cars are like 3 times more than in the rest of the world. I don't know why it is. It takes time to, you know, they take those import taxes that are huge. Anyways, I was looking at the cars, and like, I was driving the Porsches before in a trip, but I never owned the Porsche. And then I saw this car, Mercedes E300 Cabriolet, and this beautiful black car was red interior, all leather, and 12-inch screen, and all of this rooftop, and it's beautifully designed, and like, man, taking it for a little test drive. Like, I'm having this car like this day. I think the very same day, I went and I organized, like, I bought some Ethereums, I sold some Ethereums, I made some deals, and by the end of this day, maybe a couple days passed, but you know, I like by the end of the day, I bought this car, and I got the keys at 9 p.m. And
I remember
started
this, bro.
driving.
I remember this. I remember this. I remember the bag of money, bro. He was like, "You see this bag right here? I'm getting ready to go buy a Mercedes."
Thanks God that I didn't sell all of my Ethereum. Because damn it, how much Ethereum has been rising this year? It's crazy.
Man.
Since March, the coronavirus dumped. You know, Ethereum rose by like 500%. It's crazy. It was trading below $100. What a steal! What a steal to go and buy Ethereum at $100. Go and roll back that time a little bit earlier this year.
Well, I think when people take for granted when we say, you know, it's time to buy, you know, because think about it. Like when I first got started, when you told me about this opportunity, Ethereum was at like 2.25, 210, between 210 and 2.25. Now, you know, I'm like, man, I should even put more in. I mean, now it's like almost $600 a coin, guys. So, and we know where it's going. I mean, we've done several webinars talking about $1,400 to $2,000 price range, guys, and now we're getting really close to that, you know. So,
exactly. So, I can tell you that all of your dreams are possible if you believe and you commit and you make it happen. You know, it was a dream for me at one point to buy a Mercedes like this. You know, I was looking at these cars and like, okay, it's for those other guys, for the rich guys. I don't know. And my family, they were like staring at those cars like, no, it's not practical. they're eating up too much gas and all of that stuff. And you know what? Somebody's making those cars and somebody's buying these cars. I mean, plain in fact, these companies are very successful. BMWs and Mercedes and Porsches and Lamborghinis and Ferraris and all of these cars, they're buyers for these cars, right? And the question is, why not you? Right. Why not you to drive what you want to drive, to live where you want to live, you know, to go and buy a place or rent in a place where you truly want to live, a place that will inspire you, maybe move to a different city, right? Or maybe even move to a different country. I don't know. The sky is the limit, right? There's
sky is no limit. You know,
maybe right now is not the best timing to relocate to another country, but at least go and go and rent there, go and see like how people live. You can be this crypto freedompreneur, how I call it, you know, where you live in your
this opportunity, Vitaly, you know, the little guy who can come in here and get started with $30, and in the course of 6 months or less, He can make more money than you. He can run past you like you're standing still. He can run past me like I'm standing still. You know, it's an equal opportunity here, guys. So we got something that's super powerful, on steroids, supercharged. And that's why we call it this Super Sunday, because you get all this information and you can literally choose how you want to, you know, take it on, how you want to, you want to put your foot on the gas and go fast, or you just want to barely, crawl around. It's up to you, right? You want to crawl around, or you want to get in the car and go fast, right? So what I want to do is I want to open up the lines. And first, what I want to do is go ahead and put in 777 if you got any questions. I know it was a lot of information that we just went over. And, put 777 if you have any questions. And so we can answer your questions really quick. We want to make sure we do that first, because I know it's people sitting there that got a couple questions. Don't be shy to ask a question. There's no stupid questions. All right. So Patrick is the first one. Patrick, go ahead and unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Good morning, everyone. Hey, beautiful presentation from my brother all the way over there, man. And congrats on that Mercedes, man. Yes. Awesome. Hey, it is a blessing, man, to be on the line with you three gentlemen, along with my upline, Frederick. Thank you, Frederick, for inviting me and even having me in mind, man, to give me this opportunity. At first, I'm going to be honest with everyone. I was a little reluctant because I heard about it before, but now I see it, I understand it, and I'm like, wow, what an incredible opportunity. So thank you guys so much, first of all, for allowing us to be a part of this community. My question is, I know I heard a lot of the great things that, is going on, but again, I want to make sure I understand, the concept of everything. I kind of understand it, with building the community and building out. Basically, the more people you get, the more synergetic your community is, which is great. And now we're talking about money, but the Bitcoin and what's the other term? I'm trying to wrap my mind around, that concept, Bitcoin, and understand that a little bit more. So, once I go out and talk to people about it, I'll be able to educate them.
So what's the question? How Bitcoin works?
Yes. The background and all of that good stuff of it.
Man, Bitcoin is being studied by the brightest minds in the world, big corporations, big banks, and there's obviously so much more to it than I can summarize in 5 minutes, as it's a huge technology that has many different layers. It's like you don't need to understand how electricity works in order to use the electricity, right? You need to know the basic concepts in Bitcoin, which I can explain to you in 5-10 minutes and to everybody. Which essentially Bitcoin is digital money. Okay, it's a digital currency.
Yes, sir.
It has an ecosystem like the internet. The internet has what? Computers, correct? Computers connected to the internet. And whenever you type in an address in your browser, it's going through this protocol. Everybody's using the same internet protocol, correct? With the domain systems to read the address, right?
Okay.
Well, Bitcoin has its own protocol. Bitcoin has its own code. Bitcoin is based on code, okay? And that code regulates essentially the entire Bitcoin network. And Bitcoin network consists of all these addresses that people can open up an address, and they have a unique address every time. It's like opening a bank account, and every wallet that holds a Bitcoin can store multiple of those addresses. It's like having multiple bank accounts inside your bank. And you can transfer Bitcoin from one wallet to another wallet. And you sign this message with a private key, and only you know the private key. Only you own the private key. Every wallet has a private key. It consists externally, it's like 12 words, mnemonics or seeds. And those 12 words, it's like the key to your bank account, the key to your safe vault. If somebody knows that the 12 words, essentially they can steal your Bitcoin. They can open up a wallet, they can restore based on the 12 words, private key, and they can steal your Bitcoin. So this is like the access to your coins is in that private key that you should keep safe. So whenever you are, the public address is what everybody's seeing. Everybody's seeing and transferring Bitcoin to. It's seen on the blockchain. But there is a private key that nobody knows. Only you know the wallet owner has this key. So essentially, the transference of Bitcoin from one address to another can be on any amount. You can move billions of dollars. It will be the same transaction as moving $5. And moving billions of dollars, you would still pay, you know, $5 in fees or less, essentially, to the miners. So whenever you send a transaction, it's taken from your wallet and it's being added to another wallet, correct? Your wallet is getting less Bitcoin, and in the other wallet it has more Bitcoin. And all of that, all of this situation, how much Bitcoin is in every single address, it needs to be written somewhere, correct? It's like a huge accounting system. When you transfer from one bank account to the other, you have a centralized bank that stores this information. You have less in your bank account and the other person has more in his bank account.
Yes.
In Bitcoin, all of that stuff is being written on the blockchain. On the blockchain, you can see who has less Bitcoin, who has more Bitcoin. Okay, and they take like thousands of transactions at a time. They gather them together, and every 10 minutes they put all of these transactions into one block, and that block is being verified by the miner somewhere in the world, solves the problem, issued on the Bitcoin network once every 10 minutes, issuing this challenge. They need to find a specific number that is very, very high, very difficult to find. You only need to guess it in order to find it. And imagine a huge factory, a mining hub, and that connects to thousands of computer chips. And all they're doing is guessing this number. That's all they're doing. It's guessing the number. And whoever guesses the number first that fits correctly into the puzzle wins the race. Every 10 minutes, somebody wins. And right now, and for the next 4 years, the price is 6.25 Bitcoins. And you take the 6.25 Bitcoins multiple times a day, that equates to 900 new Bitcoins issued into the supply every single day. Okay?
Man, listen, hold on. I think he go all the way over your head, Patrick. But what I want to say,
you know what? Actually, sir, I am kind of understanding it, but you can go ahead and break it down for me in layman terms, my brother.
Yeah, we're gonna make it real easy for everybody's here, okay? Because you know, my man Vitaly, he's so analytical and he's
genius,
right? He breathes, eats, sleeps this crypto. You know, but for the sake of time, because when you ask this kind of question, he's gonna take 30 minutes to answer this one, all right? All right. So the bottom line is this: blockchain is the ultimate ledger, tracks every transaction. Okay, so it doesn't miss a beat. All right. So when you get into blockchain technology, just know that every transaction is tracked, and you can send money all over the world fast in nanoseconds. All right.
Okay.
That's what we got our hands on right here, my friend.
Okay.
Appreciate the question.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, that's a loaded question. How big
question here? John Bless.
That was a loaded question.
Yeah, he can keep going on that one. John Bless, Easy Zobor. You got a 777. That means you have a question. You can unmute your. There he goes. Go ahead, my friend.
Can you
What's
hear
your
me?
question? Loud and
Hello,
clear.
good evening from this side.
Good evening.
All right. I just want to ask, like, I'm new on this platform. So how does it work?
Okay, you must didn't have your pen and you must didn't have your pad. Because we've
Come
been
again,
going
please.
over this all day for about an hour on how this works. So that's why you got to keep your pens. Remember, I had 2 pens like this? Write down this information because this is
Yes,
powerful.
sir.
This
Yes,
is,
sir.
listen, guess what? Instead of going over all of this, I'm going to give it to you in a real quick nutshell because I respect your question, okay? You hear this
All
long.
right.
So in the nutshell, we have smart contracts that's attached to that blockchain that we just got finished talking about, right? So
Yeah.
you'll be able to purchase these smart contracts and resell them over and over and over again, all right? And there's a video that I'll send you, God bless, and you can rewatch this replay as well, okay?
All right.
So
Thank you.
imagine this being some real estate that you could sell over and over again as many times as you want. Powerful, powerful information, all tracked, coded, hard coded to the blockchain itself. Okay. In order to get rid of the blockchain, you got to shut this whole internet off. I hope that makes sense to you.
Yeah.
Thank you. All right, moving right along. Let's see here. I got Cartagena. Go ahead and unmute your line, Cartagena. If you're there. Cartagena, you have a question, 777. We'll come back to you. Looks like Christopher Linsicki had a question. Christopher, you can unlock your mic. I see your hand is open. Christopher Lisinski. All right, there you go.
Hey, how we doing this afternoon?
Unbelievable, sir. How are you?
I'm doing great. I was wondering how you guys go about marketing the Ethereum Visage as well as the Tron Visage.
Great question. Great question. Essentially, you could, definitely, if you have a circle of influence, you can pique their interest. And, if they're interested in cryptocurrencies, smart contracts, blockchain technology, you could send them to our videos that we have. And you can also invite them to our webinars that we have 3 times a week. And if you don't have a circle of influence, we have a marketing system in place for you guys to do some co-op marketing, co-op advertising, and we do all the work for you, and you just take the leads coming into your calendars every day, okay? So that's
okay.
That's a
How
couple
do
of.
I get to that marketing co-op?
Yeah, you can reach out to me on our Telegram channel or our Facebook channel, and I'll post the links up in here, so stand by, okay?
Okay, awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, let's see here. Moving right along. Did I miss any questions, JB?
In regards to marketing, guys, there is so many different ways how you can market. You have social media, you have Instagram, you have Facebook, you have Twitter, you have YouTube, all of these places where you can share about crypto. You got to start building a community around the crypto, learning yourself, and then sharing what you learn. And then you start building some following, building some community and connecting with people. And I have a training specifically on that, how you can use Facebook free strategies in order to connect with these people. And there's a limited amount of prospects and leads out there who are interested in this type of business model. And you need to educate yourself about how to do it right, because you don't learn it inside your traditional school. Like they don't teach you this stuff. You gotta learn it. It's a specific knowledge, a very specific, specialized knowledge, and you gotta learn it from from the insiders. And by applying this, you're going to be like, I know personally a guy. He doesn't do emails. He doesn't do YouTube. Like, he doesn't do anything. He's just posting on Facebook and connecting with people. Posting on Facebook and connecting with people. He made this year $1.5 million. and you think that it's something that you cannot do, like it's easy stuff, guys. Posting something on Facebook and connecting people. Everybody can do it. But you gotta have this charisma, energy. You gotta have the strategy. You gotta, have this internal drive that you are here for the long term, and you want to take people together with you on this journey, to help them earn crypto. If you have this narrow several years at least, don't come here, I'm going to test it out for a week. It's not going to work. Come here, okay, I'm ready to learn. I'm ready to take on this new identity, because you know what, people deserve to learn about this technology, about crypto. It's going to be big, 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 big. So much bigger than it is right now. So why would you cheat on other people to not letting them know about this amazing industry? And all you need to do is be passionate about it, and have the right strategy.
Be eager to help people win, and once you get that mindset set, just like Vitaly said, it's going to be easy for you to reach out through social media and all these different aspects. That's
We have those
powerful.
trainings available. Yeah. So when you
Right.
join, you'll get access to everything you need over here to start winning.
Yeah, we got a full bulletproof system of free trainings and masterminds, and
automated systems,
Yeah.
whatever you need, you can get over here. Yeah.
Absolutely. So we looking to take the person that have no experience at anything at whatsoever, hold their hand and bring them into a flow of information. Okay. We're in an information age, guys. So I hope that helps. Let's see. KO has the hand up. Go ahead, KO. KO.
Great information, guys. I live in the United States. I'm having difficulty purchasing Tron. Any suggestions?
Who invited you?
I am on Vitaly's team through the Ethereum Forsage.
Okay.
Well, buying Tron directly right now, there's no place that you can go buy Tron directly. You gotta convert it. You gotta trade it on some kind of a platform, an exchange, like Binance, for example, or another platform. Like
Crypto.com. Type in crypto.com. You should be able to, buy Ethereum there and convert it right into Tron. Or actually, you could actually buy directly there, crypto.com.
I would.
All right.
Exactly. So you buy Bitcoin, Ethereum first, and then trade it, and then open up a Tron Link, this wallet. It's a Google Chrome extension, and transfer the Tron there. There is an address to receive, and you send your Tron. You send your Tron there. Right here.
Thank you so much.
Receive. See, and this is where you send it. And then you're ready to click the link and register.
All right, looks like we got one more guy that want to ask a question. KO, go ahead, unmute yourself.
Hello.
Hello there.
How are you? I'm just joining this thing today. I want to know how to get started with this. The binary, something that is on now.
I missed the question. Did you hear the question, Vitaly?
No.
Okay, can you repeat your question, sir?
Yes, I want to know how to get started on the Tron binary, something that you were talking about.
Okay, great. Who invited you, sir?
I came in through Vitaly's link.
Perfect. All right, so we'll go ahead and get you over to Vitaly. Vitaly will go ahead and give you the step-by-step process to get set up, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
And glad to have you on board too.
And welcome on board. You hear that, guys? People is ready to get started. We've been having a pretty good success rate here, guys. We've been helping a lot of people, you know. So
Oh my God, bro, the success rate is insane right now.
you know, so it looks like all the questions. I mean, you know, when you see that, you know what? When you see that so many people show up to grow up, you know, and they're inviting their friends, their family. I see my family right there. Isay, what's going on? Isay, what's going on? That's my family right there. Showing up to grow up on a Sunday.
What's up, y'all?
What's going on,
brother? How
family?
you doing?
How y'all? I'm good.
Unbelievable. I know you got Tron in your wallet. You ready to press the gas. So, you know,
Ready to go.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure it out, man. I'm trying to figure it out. This is so scary. I was watching Vitali do his presentation, and he was, you know, the colors and the numbers and your 1 tier and 2 tier. I'm going, what in the hell?
Don't worry about it, man. I got you, man. I got you. Anything that
all right, brother. All right.
catch, I got you.
Yeah, brother.
All
All
right.
you need to know is to get plugged in, get your Tron, right, and help build the community. That's it, right? There are people right now that have no idea what's going on, and they've already made 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. You're gonna learn more how it works. Give yourself time to grow. You don't have to have this all figured out to start winning.
Right.
Make a decision to start winning right now. Plug in, get your crypto, and invite others to the community. And then I'm pretty sure in 6 months to a year, you'll be speaking like Vitality too. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That's
Okay.
it, bro. Right? So
All
yeah,
right.
give yourself time to grow. Don't be afraid to win. A lot of people are afraid of success. Just be ready.
Right.
For the next level. That's it. Okay.
You don't have to know all the ins and outs, all the details or nothing. Just know that plug in the wall will plug in your stereo and it will turn off.
Right.
That's it. We got the plug and the switch, baby. We got the
Yeah.
plug and the switch. Turn it on. We moving.
Right.
All
Right. For real.
man.
For real.
Yeah, that's it. That's the bottom line. We like to get to the bottom line. All right, who else we got here? I think we got one more question before we get busy with some of these coins here, guys.
Just to let you know, me and Jamel used to share a bunk bed. Just let you know.
Wait, who was on the top? Who was on the bottom one? Right?
I was on the top, guaranteed. That's my big cousin. I was on the top. And he used to put me on the top. But now I'm 6'3", 300 pounds. So
oh,
Turn up time, right?
Oh my gosh. All right, I think we got another question here. Good luck. Go ahead and open your line. Good luck. I like good luck too.
Hello.
Good luck. We can't hear you. Good luck. You're having a lag right there.
You're having bad luck with audio.
Hello.
Yeah, there you go.
Can you hear me?
Now I can. You know what? Type your question in. We're having some bad audio on your end. So just go ahead and type your question and we'll make sure we get that answered for you. All right, let's see here. Any testimonials today? Any quick testimonials? Anybody want to share some testimonials? You know, anybody want to share some quick testimonials?
Powerful.
Come on now. Don't everybody speak at once, okay?
Maybe they should type in 222, right? If
Yeah,
you
maybe
want
two, maybe 8 is too much. 2. How about 2?
Oh,
2,
yeah.
2, 2 for testimonials. I tell you guys this, I got involved in this thing in a couple months, already made over $300,000 with this project, and I helped, you know, hundreds of people already make 6 figures. So this thing is really working. That's why I'm up early in the morning doing what we do. Anybody else?
Man, they gonna make us call on them.
Right? Call on them.
Right there. Right there.
All
Like,
right, here we go. We got somebody standing up, showing up to grow up. Go ahead, Bill and Shaheed.
Shaheed. Oh, what's up?
Peace, brothers. Peace, legends. How you guys doing today?
Unbelievable.
Good to see you, brother.
Good to see you guys too. I'm excited for the team. My team, they're really. I wanted to give a testimony for them. They are the true heroes and winners. You know, they are, coming to these meetings. They are becoming more competent in this journey, and they're really like, building. They just. I'm grateful to be a part of the team and help them. And also, we have good news out of Nigeria. My brother Chris Equivan is officially a part of the team, and me and Tobiah are helping him. He has about 30 to 100 people.
Whoa.
Yes, 30, yes, about 30 to 100 people. So I had to make a special AIGL Nigerian group just for him because we have to get busy. I'm in New York right now, in Brooklyn, Bed-Stuy. Yeah, so but right now I just can't wait. I want to hurry and get back home so I can help my brother Equivan Mark out and
Right.
his whole team because he got about 30 to 100 or more. So me and Tobias is going to be very busy, and we should be going to Nigeria very soon to blow Nigeria out of the stratosphere.
Oh,
So
that's
we're
exciting.
just
I'm down for that ride.
yeah, whoever all the leaders want to come, let's go because Nigeria is about
Yeah,
to
let's
blow.
just take the private jet. That'll be fun,
We're
right?
gonna
Yes,
get
sir.
Vitali's private
Sure.
jet.
And like you guys stated earlier, when you
My
just,
private.
I don't even think about the money. I'm not even thinking about the money. I'm thinking about helping people. That's where I'm at, and that right there is like so much more than the money. Seeing people happy, and so that's the stratosphere that I'm on right now is helping as many people as I can. So big shout outs to my team, and big shout outs to all the legends that are here today. You are at the right place at the right time. You could have easily picked the link and just been in oblivion somewhere and no team build, but you are a part of the AI Global Legends. You are now a legend. So I just want to, all of us need to pat ourselves on the back because we are definitely in the right place at the right time. Let's make this happen. All right, let's make it happen. Let's go overtime and help people. Just help serve the people with this opportunity.
Well,
Peace
you
and
know what? I
blessings.
love that you said that, Shaheed. So we getting ready to help the people right now. How about we kick off this this giveaway?
Giveaway.
Let's help the people with a giveaway. How
Right.
about
Hey,
that?
look, if your folks aren't on right now, I recommend everybody just literally take the Zoom link right now and just start sending it to people and get your folks who've been thinking about coming into the community, get them on right now because we're about to give away some Tron, right?
Tron, yeah, why not? We in a people building business, and let's help build the people. That's what I love about this community, man. What's the goal today, Vitali? What are we shooting for? I think we hit over 100 people today. So I know we said that if we hit over 100 on a Sunday, we was going to raise the bar. Last Sunday, we gave away over 12,000 Tron. So what are we doing today?
What do you want?
I know, right? You want to double that? You want to do 20,000?
Oh, it's getting a little
10,000 each.
Yeah, we could do 10,000 each. I'm down with that.
No problem.
You hear that? No problem. You hear that?
10,000. Wait, 10,000 Tron or $10,000?
10,000 Tron. 10,000 Tron.
$10,000 is pretty big giveaway.
Yeah.
Right? We'll give away 10,000 Tron, guys. You guys got your wallets open? You guys got your I hope you guys got a wallet. And if you don't have a wallet, my brother Tobiah is going to show you how to open up a wallet in 2.2 seconds.
Where's Tobiah? Come on, T.
Show him how to open up a wallet in 2.2 seconds.
Well, I'm on the computer right now, so my phone, I've been sending out messages like crazy. I didn't even get to charge it, but
But don't worry then. If it's gonna be a problem, don't worry.
Don't even worry about it. We got it. I could always put them on the
Whoever wins, message us and we'll help you get your wallet set up, okay? If you don't have one set. So let's see here. So we're gonna go with the last name. We're gonna do the last name. Let's do the last name, Vitaly. I'll pull it up. Want me to pull it up?
The wheel of names.
Yeah, wheel of names.
Okay, 1 second.
So make sure you guys got your last name in there.
Yeah, just click on rename and put your last name.
If I
Now,
get my heart stand up coming.
whichever
Spinning the
name you
wheel.
put, that's what you get.
Spinning the wheel. Somebody's going to win today.
Somebody's gonna win.
10,000 Tron.
We're gonna do 3.
10,000 Tron.
First, second, and third.
Who wants to win
Oh,
today?
I guess
Type
his
it in.
mood different because he was in the
Who wants to win today?
Oh, he was in the living room.
All right.
Look, everybody
He had a
hopping in
special.
now.
Look, yeah, they like,
You guys ready?
no,
You
no,
guys
right
ready
now.
to win?
Yeah,
Okay, I'm going to
make sure y'all
spin the
ready.
wheel right
But that's supposed to
now.
be like a live standard. I go to his concert. It's all extra.
P, the letter P is winning.
P.
E.
P. Number P1. Or letter P. Let me see. Do we see any P's out there?
It's looking a little dry. Oh, Manasseh.
Oh, Manasseh.
Orlando.
Manasseh.
And iPhone doesn't count.
Orlando won that thing.
iPhone doesn't count. We showed it. Make that was very clear at the beginning. All right, so let's put that down. Put your wallet in the chat.
We have Paulding. Orlando Paulding is the winner.
It's 2 people, so we're gonna split the 10 with those guys. So 5,000 each.
Ooh, nasty.
5,000 each of you guys. All right.
And Orlando, it's time to upgrade, bro. How about that, right?
That's Orlando. All right, Orlando, get ready to get 5,000 Tron.
Or, bro, how about we do 2,500 and throw in another round?
Ooh.
Maybe 2,500.
So that'll be what, 4?
Yeah. We can add another. We got a lot of folks on today, so we doubled the numbers, so we might as well bless a few more people, right?
All right, we'll do it. Yeah. You want to do it 5 times and divide it up?
Why not?
All right, cool. All right, so we got Orlando, P, and who else was that? The other person that had a last name that started with
Manasseh. I think it was Manasseh, brother.
Manasseh.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Hey, in the community, y'all gotta tell us. We can just, this can be it, right? Y'all gotta let us know if y'all want us to keep it going, right? I'm trying to help out right now. I'm looking out for y'all, right?
JB, I need more trying, son. I used all that up already.
All right. Ooh, I got to do an update over here. Okay. All right, so let's keep it going. Somebody, Tonica said, keep it going.
Going.
All right, so let me see.
So we'll spin one more time.
Yeah, we're gonna spin 2 more times. All right, go ahead.
Who is the other winner?
Manasseh.
Okay. Spinning the wheel.
You can't see the wheel spinning. There you go.
The letter Y is winning. Y. Who has Y?
Who has
As a
Y?
family.
Let's see. Do you see any Y's there? No Y.
Why? No, why? Oh, no why.
I don't see why.
All right, redo it.
Okay.
You got a lag over there, look like a little bit.
W.
Wade, you
Wade.
gotta call Wade. Yes.
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 Who's that?
Because it's you, I know you're Wade. We got Wade and we got Q, right?
No. We have W. Elevin where? Yeah.
Wait, what happened, Brian?
Oh my God.
All right, so we got Wade and we got where?
Woo!
Come
on, y'all.
And we got another W too.
What?
Yeah, Evelyn Ware. Yes.
Awesome, Evelyn. Congrats.
Thank you. I'll pay it forward.
He said,
how long you've been in the crypto space when you learn about crypto? How long ago?
Just a couple of months
Very nice.
trying to figure out this whole thing.
Congratulations.
Keep it going, baby. You're gonna figure it out.
All right, so we got Wade and we got where, right?
There's Ray getting them blessings over there. Okay.
That's what I'm talking
I
about.
love my blessings here.
Oh, you guys also got Preston White. I just wanted to let that be known because his microphone isn't working.
Oh,
Preston. Oh, I see him. Preston White. Wow. White
There is
novel.
Y. Yolanda McKnight.
Let me see. Yep, that'll do it. All right, so we got 2, 3 that's going to split this batch. 2 in the first batch. All right. One more. Let's do it.
One more.
One more.
Somebody breathing hard right now. I'm ready to go.
Real quick.
They're like, my turn.
E.
G.
Who's that? G, that must be me.
Okay.
Dwayne Gant.
Hey, that's me.
Dwayne Gant.
Dwayne Gant.
Oh, wow.
Dwayne Gant.
Oh, got Chris.
That's
Gray.
me.
Hold on.
Okay, congratulations.
Congratulations, Dwayne. It's awesome.
Oh, we won.
Who else?
Chris Gray.
Who?
Chris Gray.
We won.
DeMarcus Green are right here.
DeMarcus Green.
Marcus Green?
Let's
Yes,
see.
sir.
Those glasses.
It's getting lit up in
Gazing
here.
also. He was gazing.
Hold on. I see Chris. Chris Gray, right?
Yep.
This.
That's good luck.
All right, who else we got?
Yeah, my last name was with a G too.
Chris Gray.
Yeah.
Dwayne Gant.
Dwayne Gant and DeMarcus Green. Look like we got 3. Chris Gray. Dwayne
Chris
Grant.
Gray.
And DeMarcus Green.
And Dwayne Grant, Chris Gray. And who else?
Glasses.
Oh, good luck.
Chris Gray, Dwayne Grant, and DeMarcus Green.
All right, Green.
Hey guys, Gus is G-A-S-I-S last name.
That's Dwayne Gant. Gant.
Yeah, yeah, we got you,
Gant.
Dwayne. We know it.
No, somebody said Grant.
People changing their name.
Yeah, we got a we got a Gant. We got a Gant. That's you, Dwayne.
Yeah, that's you, Dwayne. Two people.
We got you, Dwayne. We're gonna treat you.
I think two people just changed their name.
Emil, we have a lot of people here in G. We need.
We got two quests.
I see a Gus Gacy and a Spirit Gray. I didn't see those before, but Malik. Everybody's
Everybody changing their name on site.
Okay.
Malik G.
Look, Malik done changed his name to Malik G. Man, you don't get out of here, G. Oh man, what we gonna do about this? So we got 3 for sure that we all scouted.
Yeah, bro. I think.
What about Leonard Chesson? Did you send the Tron team the last time? Jamil.
Let me see here. All right, green. That's green. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 winners.
More.
I think they like the spinning wheel game, guys.
What are you thinking, brother?
Hold on. This guy Gus's. I didn't see him before.
Yeah, I've been here before. I've been 3 times already in this. I don't speak too much as much, but I'm here.
Got you, Gus.
Yes.
Yeah, thanks, guys. Good job. Thanks, Vitaly. Thanks, everybody.
Hey, you're welcome.
Great to see you here.
Great to see you. We got Spirit Gray. I haven't seen that one. Spirit Gray. Hey, how you doing out there?
I see Chris Gray.
Yeah, that's my wife.
Yeah,
that's your wife.
Yeah, that's my wife.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay. All right, so that's
y'all gotta
that's
share
one household. They're sharing one household.
Hey, welcome, Spirit. Y'all gotta share today.
So all right, we got 3 spinning the wheel so far. You said you wanted one more, right, JB?
Hey, brother, it's up to you. I'm following your lead.
Well, we already got, we're doing
a wild card.
Yeah, we're doing 20K with the total giveaway today because we hit 100. So we just did it last week. So we'll break these up between that. But yeah, let's do one more spinning wheel. So we can see what's.
Wow.
One more spinning wheel, guys. We'll make everybody happy today.
One more, do you want?
Next one.
Yeah.
I want $10,000. Shut up. So.
What are you planning, Jamil? How many winners?
We agreed that we're pushing out 20,000 Tron, right? So right now, I got everything paired, right? So we'll do one more spinning wheel and we'll go from there. That'll be it. C.
So how much Tron will each get?
We got, is that D or C?
C.
C.
Yeah, let's see.
I see a C.
Don't be changing your names now.
I see that.
No more.
I only see one.
I don't think Leonard's on no more.
Yeah, you got a Martin Chambers there.
A Martin Chambers.
I'll tell you what, little razzle dazzle by the Cleveland Browns.
Razzle dazzle.
Reginald Chambers.
Cleveland Browns in the house.
Man, I swear I go through the whole list and I see all of them. And then when I go back up, I swear it's like 10 C's.
Reginald
Yeah,
Chambers.
Martin Chambers. You have a Martin Chambers there.
Reginald Chambers here.
All right, I see 2 only.
Yeah, 2.
Yeah, we see 2. So we're gonna rock that off to Martin Chambers and What's my man name over here? Chesson.
Reginald Chambers.
Like Leonard won 2 times in a row. Ain't
Leonard always win. Lesson Chesson. All right, Chambers.
Leonard said he didn't get paid for Friday too. He need hit in.
Leonard Chesson Jr. All right, that's it, guys. Chambers. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3. All right. That's 5,000 each group, guys. So we're gonna be giving away. So 5, 10, 15, 20. That sums up to 20K.
Reginald Chambers.
What do you say, Chambers? Another Chambers? We already got Chambers. Martin Chambers.
Reginald Chambers.
Is 2,000 Tron to each of the 10 winners, or what?
Yeah.
Reginald Chambers at the top.
Yeah, I don't see any Reginald Chambers.
I think I'm on that C.
Oh yeah. You gotta have 2 names there. Like it could be your first name or middle name or whatever. That's why we're telling everybody, put your names in there so we can be fair here. All right, so we got so far, let me tell you who I'm looking for. I'm looking for Orlando P. Munasa, right? And then we're looking for Wade, Ware, and White, right? And then we're looking for Gant, Gray, Green, and Gassas, and Martin, Chambers, and Chasson. Let's get busy. We need those IDs, those Tron wallets.
Hey, Mansa, this is Dwayne Gant.
Hey.
I'm not gonna be able to manipulate while I'm on the phone. Can I give it to you when I get off the line?
Yeah, that's fine.
Send it to you.
Yep, that's fine.
All right. Send it to your Facebook.
Yep.
All right.
Hey, Massa, I'm gonna have to send mine too. Do I send it to the Facebook group? I mean, where am I sending it? Messenger?
Yeah, just directly to me. So I'll take care of you guys.
Okay, your messenger?
Yes.
Okay.
Go ahead, Desiree. You the one, baby.
Hey, man, I'm so excited right now.
Look, we're excited for you.
Y'all couldn't see me, but I was doing flips. I was doing backflips, okay?
I don't need you doing too many backflips. I don't need you doing too many.
Hey, if I keep getting hit like this, I'm gonna do a whole lot of those.
Right.
Well, go ahead and make it happen.
All right, so Vitaly, you said 2K each, right?
Just organize this and get all of their wallets and.
Yeah, let's do it now. Let's knock it all out now. Checkmate. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 names.
Mans, I put mine wallet on the chat here. Is that good?
Right. So you do 6, Vitaly, and I'll do 6. That organized enough for you?
Okay, so let's wrap it up.
Okay.
We're already past 2 hours.
Yeah, we already here. All right, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go ahead and send out later.
I just sent it to you, Mansa.
All right, cool. Paste. All right, Gasa, you're set. All right, who are you sending to, Vitaly? Let me make sure we're right.
I'll send it to you and you send to them.
All right, Gasa, I just sent you 2K. You're out.
You can do it after the webinar because it's taking a lot of time. All this management of sending.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So what I'm gonna do? Hold on 1 second. Vitaly, you can go, and we're gonna hang out a little bit until I get all this handled.
All right, cool.
All right, hey
So,
guys, let's give Vitaly everybody unmute yourself and show some love to Vitaly.
Bye.
Thank you, Vitaly.
Bye. Thank you, Vitaly.
Thank you, my brother.
This has been amazing. I'm looking
Thank you,
forward to
brother.
next Sunday.
Hey, Vitaly, my man.
Hey, great training. You dropping knowledge, Vitaly.
God bless. God bless you.
Vitaly Manali.
Very
Vitaly,
blessed.
Vitaly.
Thank you.
You're the man,
Bless you.
Vic.
Thank you so much.
Peace and abundance, my man.
While we get this crypto going, we want to hear from the community. We got a lot of folks on right now. And so while Mansa is over there working, making things happen, let's give it up for Mansa real quick. Just real quick. Let's give it up for my
Giving
brother.
it up for Mansa.
Man,
That's what's up.
To Jamillion.
Samantha.
Yes, sir.
Come on, let's give it up for Mansa. Right?
$1,000,000.
Always.
Thank you, guys.
Man, we got Mansa, guys. This is the official after party. All right. So in the after party, we still make things happen. There might be a few more blessings out there, but what we'll do is we're gonna allow the community to come out. And so if you have anything that you want to share, we want you to come out. We want to keep everything to about 30 seconds to 60 seconds. Come out, share your story, share what's going on. Let's lift up the community, right? And that's what we're gonna do right now. So you can just simply unmute and you can come out and we're gonna do it like that, okay?
Martin
Chambers. I'll go if no one else is.
Yeah, thank
I
you.
just wanted to say, I was on Litecoin the other day and it freaking ripped 16% in one day. So this is fast. This is extremely fast moving, guys. And then just yesterday, Tron did that. It ripped up 16%. So huge opportunity, not only in the contracts here, guys, but also in the sheer value of it increasing, like Vitaly was going in depth on.
That's huge. Let me see. That's Caleb, huh? Is that Caleb?
Yeah, that's me, Caleb Brink.
Yeah, very nice, brother. Thank you for sharing that.
Yeah, so look,
thank you guys.
And what we'll do is while everybody comes out, if you don't mind, just clicking the mute button for us. Right, we want to give everybody the respect that they deserve. So if you're listening, just go ahead. The mattress iPhone, sweetheart, go ahead and put your phone on mute real quick.
My phone is on mute.
Okay.
All right, Orlando P. Coin sent. All right, Leonard Chesson. I threw an extra bonus in there for you, my man. Sent.
What's going on, Dwayne? You got your phone unmuted, so I guess you got something to say, huh, brother?
Chambers sent.
Chambers sent.
All right, Leonard sent. Chesson, Leonard sent. Orlando sent. Chris Gray on the way. We're gonna make sure y'all handle. I don't want to hear nobody. I ain't getting nothing. We're gonna make sure we get it out there.
I ain't getting nothing, man. I ain't getting nothing. Right.
So,
Yes, I appreciate you, brother.
What's
All
up,
right.
Crypto King?
Chris Gray is gone.
Crypto King listening in.
Hey, what's up, brother? Come on, bless the community. Just real quick, bro, while Mansa passing out the crypto.
All right, White.
Y'all know I'm always taking notes. Peek everybody. But man, you know, y'all gotta keep them boards lit. And then, man, you know what? I got on here at a little late, couple of minutes late, but I tell you what, I got pinged about 4 times. So them notifiers, we gotta stay notified, baby.
Right.
You know what I mean? Because man, look, mine is hitting.
Hey, Crypto Kid, love them notifiers. I'm telling you, they lit.
And look, and make those purchases, you guys. Like lit. I like my board to stay lit. And get rid of them buggies. You know what I mean? Get rid of them shopping carts, y'all. That's what I call them. We want to eliminate all them shopping carts.
Crypto Kid, y'all heard it from
Yes,
Crypto Kid.
Martin Chambers. Why? Okay, so Wade.
I have a question, Tommaso.
Thanks so much, Chris.
I have someone that's on live right now. She told me that her last name is Washington, and I know her, but she wasn't able to type it into the chat. Would she have an option to receive anything?
We'll get it
today?
taken care of, Kat. No problem. I'll handle that.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, because she was texting me. She was like, I'm here, but I don't know what to do.
Yeah, I'll handle it because Master's a little busy right now, so I'll take care of it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's team, y'all. Look at them. JB the Great.
I'm out here. Hey, we
JB
just
the
great.
That's
Who else?
teamwork, baby.
You already know, brother. Who else we got that want to come up?
All right, so I think where? Oh, wait a minute. Who else? Wade is sent.
Wade sent. Okay.
All right. I think we're good. Who else we missing? Wade. Oh, so we're waiting on DeAnt. We got Gray out the way. Gray, are you there?
And where?
And where? Oh, wait a minute. We don't have the. Yeah, you got to send it through the chat. I don't see it in the chat.
Oh, I sent it.
Oh, I see it now. Hold on here. 12:13. Okay, you just sent it. Okay. All right, we got you. Don't worry.
Got it.
Got you. All right, you sent. Where is sent? Wade is sent. It only take a second to get there. Gray.
Shout out to all the new people that getting on board. Welcome to the community. Excited to have you.
All right. All right, so that's
everybody, brother.
There, white, and gray. Chambers, Chasson. Okay, that'll do it.
That's everybody, huh, brother?
Yeah, we're just missing a couple of dresses, and that's it, my man. So,
Okay, I'm gonna forward that to you, man.
Okay, forward that over to me. And
okay, when's the next? What day is the next webinar? Is it on Tuesday or tomorrow?
Yeah, Tuesday at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time.
8 p.m. Central, 9 p.m. Eastern.
And get ready.
All right.
Get ready, guys, because we're going to light it up. We're going to have some more giveaways.
More giveaways.
No. And I'm excited.
Hey, back to you, Master, brother. Passing it back to you, fam.
Hey, guys, thanks for showing up. Let's keep spreading the love on this community. Let's keep building it. I'm going to give you guys, I'm going to put the group inside of the chat here so you guys can tune in, so you can reach out to us. I got everybody's names written down here, so if I missed you guys, you guys are moving too slow. Otherwise, I'm on it. Let's see here, copy. Look inside the chat, you're gonna see the Facebook group, okay?
Oh, and also, brother, let everybody know Sunday upgrade day too. Go ahead and unlock some more blocks while you at it. That crypto, just like Mensa mentioned, because it's cheap right now. So you better grab it and go ahead and unlock some more, and let's help other people win too.
Yeah, don't forget to unlock. That's the purpose of the day, is get unlocked. You gotta be able to be in position. So when people come in that you bring, or from our community, you're not missing anything. So meet me at the top, guys.
Recording.
Hold on, let me try to put the Telegram chat in here real quick. If anybody has the Telegram chat, go ahead and put it in the group chat real quick until I find it, unless I can find it fast enough.
Fire.
I don't see it. If anybody got the group chat. You got to make it a lot easier on sending out these things. Yeah, make it a lot easier, right?
It's okay, we growing though. Growing pains.
Brain boggle Vitaly today, man. He's like, wait a minute, what are we doing? How's this working?
Right, growing.
We'll make it easier for you guys.
That man Vitaly, man, he a scientist when he starts explaining.
He's a mad scientist. Don't ask him no detailed questions. He will give it to you in detail.
Einstein on that ass, right?
Hey, but that's what we need, though. You know what I mean? We need that attachment, man. We need that variety. We need somebody who's seriously deep into the game. And man, that boy is so deep, man. You gotta stay with it. You gotta stay on the Zooms. You gotta come and follow every Sunday to follow him.
Gotta be ready.
Stay with the Sundays. His stuff is gonna start being English to you. You know,
be ready because we throwing it out there though.
Throwing it out there, man. And you guys are so powerful, man, with all this information and sharing. And every week we come back with more and more. So let's stay tight, man. Hey, I got another one for unlock. Let's activate, baby, because that's what it said on your buggy. Activate, activate.
Okay, Ken, what you activating today, bro? Crypto Ken, what you activating today, my brother?
Man, look, I should have a few people on here. I'm gonna call and follow up and make sure, because I told them I'm delivering Tron. I'm trying to be like JB the Great, Mansa, Malik. I'm trying to give away my little bits. You know what I mean? I probably can't give away no thousands, but I'm giving away something. And let me tell you, it's coming back. Whoa, hold on. I just got a ping. I just got a ping while I'm talking to y'all.
Okay.
Wait, hold on. I got another one.
Oh, okay.
I got two.
Hey, listen.
I got two, y'all.
That's powerful right there.
That makes 5 times I done got hit today, y'all. 5 times in a 2-hour. Well, it's been a little over 2 hours, but I got hit 5 times today, y'all. That's earning, man.
I need to know about these notifications.
Man, y'all gotta get with it.
Malik is gonna help you get yours on, all right? Malik,
Okay.
her notifications up.
Yeah.
So when you guys get into the Telegram group, we're gonna share with you where you need to go to get the notifications, because I'm getting pinged too.
Okay.
You guys gotta understand the miraculousness about giving, okay?
Okay.
It's a pillar, okay? So charity is huge. When you're broke and you don't have nothing, give away your last dollar and watch what happens, okay?
Yeah.
Because the Creator ain't gonna let you die with him owing you something. Believe that.
That's right.
Okay?
You will never.
That is not gonna happen, okay? You ain't finna leave this earth with him owing you. So make sure you give, okay? Because that's what we're here to do, is give and help people win. And that's our jobs, right? That's as a pillar, right? So let's keep giving, let's keep sharing this information. you know, this is the highest return. This is, you know, getting the highest return on your dollar. Okay, guys. So cryptocurrency is not going anywhere. You guys are in the right place at the right time. You don't have to have a 10th degree black belt. You don't have to have a PhD. You don't have to have no AAA. None of that. You can get in this thing as you come and learn every single day and blow past me like I'm standing still.
Yep.
All right. So again, guys, I really appreciate you guys tuning in to us.
Hey,
hanging
man, I have a
out,
question.
waking up
Hey,
early
man.
in the morning to grow up. I'm proud of every last one of you guys. And let's continue to shine, all right, and bless others, all right?
Hey,
Peace
man,
and
I have a
abundance.
question. One of y'all.
Peace and abundance, man. Go ahead, go ahead. You said you had something to say, Tori?
Yeah, I lost my train of thought. I was gonna ask, can you? I had a couple of couple people that had to work and when they able to get off early. Can you send me a link of this recording? Like,
absolutely. You have the groups here. You have both of the groups. They'll be always added to the groups. Okay, once it's done editing and everything. All right.
Okay.
So we'll get this out to them, and you can share it. And you guys follow us on YouTube as well. Give us a like, some thumbs up, some comments. You know, help the AI Global Legends channel out because we do this for you guys. All right.
Mansa.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, man. Team Jamaica.
Team Jamaica is in the
Team Jamaica, we out here.
I want to ask you a quick question.
Okay.
How is it that I can use can I use your funnel to get people?
Absolutely.
Because we have challenges with that here because we don't have a funnel and it's kind of real slow for our business here. So I want to ask you how can we get on your funnel to attract people to the business?
Great question. Follow us on the Facebook channel. We'll put the funnel link there. And then also on the Telegram channel, we'll put the funnel link there for anybody to use, okay? Free 7 days using the funnel, okay?
Free 7 days.
Free 7 days for you.
Free 7 days. Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's get it. Let's get it.
Man, this notifying is going off the chains today, bro. I just got another $14, bruh.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Peace, love, and light, and abundance. See you guys at the top because the bottom is what?
Way too crowded.
Way too crowded.
Crypto vision.
Trump dummy.